Hey guys, Kylie and Steve here with Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. Steve, what is our gun of choice for today's review, shoot, and rate?
Kylie, today we're going to take a quick look at the Smith & Wesson M&P 45 Shield.
Let's get to it. With an overall length of 6.45 inches, your barrel is going to come in at 3.3 and a trigger pull roughly 5.5 pounds.
Equipped with 3-dot sights, comes in at 22.7 ounces with an empty magazine. You're at a capacity of 6+1. MSRP is going to be around $479. However, you'll often find it out at retail for just a little over $400.
We'd like to take a second and thank our sponsors at stevesalfa.com. He makes everything from the World Series of Poker bracelets to the finest high-quality firearms-related jewelry on the market. Again, check him out at stevesalfa.com.
All right, Kylie, you don't shoot a lot of 45. What were your thoughts on this particular one?
Overall, I really enjoy it. And if you recall back a few years back when this gun first came out, before it hit stores, we were able to go out and shoot it. From then, I've loved it. With it being a 45, a smaller gun, it does not kick as bad as you would think. It's not bulky. I mean, it's a single stack. So it's a nice overall gun. They started the new grip on this 45 when it comes to the shields as far as the Velcro feel. And for me, I like that feel better. I feel like I have better control of it. Overall, I really love this gun. So I'm probably gonna have a pretty decent rating, but let's hear your thoughts before I give my stars.
Honestly, they probably mirror a lot of what you said. I would expect it to have more felt recoil with the size of the gun and the fact that it's a 45, but it's extremely manageable. I like the fact that it's an accurate gun. It shoots well. I think the price point's good. Smith & Wesson's a respected brand. I'm probably on a 1 to 5 scale. I'm probably gonna give it, and I'm not a 45 guy. I don't carry a 45. But if I were gonna carry a compact 45, I wouldn't hesitate to carry this one. I'm gonna give it a 4.
I'll be right there with you, a 4 with price point and overall looking and everything of the gun. I'm probably gonna be right there with you at a 4.
All right, so now for those folks that would like to see more of these types of videos, what do they need to do?
There's a bell underneath your screen. Hit that bell for notifications, and please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
See you guys.